Now weather with the forewarned storm team's Aaron Brackett.
Well, it's kind of a state divided here as we started out the first part of the day. Clouds were off to the eastern half. We had a lot of sunshine in western Oklahoma and warmer temperatures that came with it. Stuck right in the middle. Oklahoma City, part of the metro, had sunshine, part didn't. And here downtown, you can actually see those clouds clear right about 1 to 2 o'clock. And we welcomed in plenty of sunshine here as we went through the second half of the day. So gloomy morning met a nice afternoon. Temperatures warmed up too, a little bit more than we've been seeing. And up in Stillwater here, clear skies are in charge. Well, we're actually looking at some fog a little bit later on. Here's what's going on with that. All right, 52 degrees, still pretty warm out there, right around an average high for this calendar day. Look at the dew point. Yesterday, we had a dew point of around 5 degrees. We've significantly increased that. Now it's near 40 degrees. So as the temperature heads down close to the dew point, you're going to get dew or fog at the ground level, and we could see some of that tonight if the winds relax enough. So dry conditions, a little bit of fog, and a huge warm-up is on the way. In fact, some folks are already seeing it. 33 degrees warmer in Guymon right now than this same time yesterday. Big increases in the northwest in Alva and Woodward, and even 12 degrees warmer in Oklahoma City right now. There's our 52. The 50s, about mid-50s to upper 50s out in western parts, and still some 60s hanging out in the Panhandle. It is cool in eastern Oklahoma. This is where the clouds remain, and even some sprinkles are possible late tonight and tomorrow. But you can see southerly winds are fully in charge. We do not have any more northerly winds. That's responsible for a warm-up and also giving us a little bit of moisture in here for that fog. Unfortunately, no storm systems to give us rain because we do need it. The drought is here. It is back, but at least we'll have some nice weather to talk about. So there go the clouds. You can see them pulling away as we've gone through the afternoon hours. Western Oklahoma had a beautiful day today. And as the system moved away from Oklahoma, it actually did start raining here in parts of Tennessee. We could have used that, but it is moving away from Oklahoma and off to our west, northwest. Yet again, another powerful storm system for Portland and Seattle up in the Pacific Northwest, getting lots of rain, even some ice and snow in that area. They've been just pounded this winter, and for us, the La Nina winter has proven itself to be very typical. Above average temperatures, below average precip. And as we look toward the next about 48 hours here into tomorrow, this is actually fog showing up. This is not clouds. Widespread fog possible tonight. And then in eastern Oklahoma, we'll actually see a couple dots of showers here as we go toward Sunday afternoon and evening. I do not believe this is going to make it west enough to make it to the OKC metro. Just not enough moisture out there, not enough energy. Certainly any rain is good rain. Let's look at the forecast here as we start out Oklahoma City for tonight. Couple high clouds, then the fog builds in. So 40 degrees, winds will settle down to about 5 miles per hour. The lower the winds, the higher the chance that you will see fog in your neighborhood. And this is where I think it'll happen most likely here in the yellow. 38 Enid, 36 in Alva. No freezing concerns for tonight. We don't have to worry about that. And then tomorrow in the afternoon, here's your best chance of sprinkles and rain. Clouds, partly cloudy skies in central Oklahoma, more sunshine in the west, much like we had today. Notice the warm temperatures, though. Mid-60s, upper 60s, even a few 70s out west. And talk about a warm-up. Here we go again, third week in a row where we start out the work week in the 70s. 76 OKC, close to 80 in southwest Oklahoma. It wouldn't surprise me if we get an 80 down there. OKC's record is 73. We could shatter that potentially. We'll look at that thermometer. Then Thursday afternoon, still pretty warm. 70s are in charge. 72 OKC, 60s off to the northwest. And how about the 7-day forecast? Usually after the warm weather, we see a cool down, and we will, but it's short-lived. Look what happens next weekend. Yes, more 70s here again. Friday and Saturday looking fantastic. We haven't had a really great weather weekend in a while, and this will be it. Now, the downside of this is fire potential is there, and the drought keeps getting worse. But wow, the weather is incredible.
What a change. And I actually put all of my other closer to spring things toward the back of the closet. All my winter stuff is in the front.
That's
so
right.
I'm going to have to kind of switch that over.
Not using it too much. That's right. Yesterday, I had the opportunity to talk to just a big amount of kids here. This was anywhere from 3rd to 6th grade. Love talking to these kids here. We learned a lot about tornadoes, severe weather. This is Southgate Ripto Elementary School, and it's just such a privilege to talk to them. They had great questions. We talked about Doppler radar. There it is, and really did appreciate meeting them. So
good deal.
Thanks for inviting us down there. Yeah.
All right, thanks, Aaron. Well.